So today we will see how you can install WordPress via cPanel. So first of all, you need to log in your hosting cPanel. To log in into your hosting cPanel, you need to type your website domain name. For example, mine is ignitecpro.com/cPanel. And it will take you to this page and you need to enter username and password to log in into cPanel. Once you log in, you will reach to this page. Depending on your hosting, the colors can be different, but overall it will look something like this. On the right side you have some general information, on left side you have various things to do. Or you can just log in your hosting account and you can find a link to log into cPanel. For example, I am into fast comment, and if I scroll down the page, I can find this option, which is called access cPanel. In every hosting you have like this. You can, no matter on which hosting you are on Bluehost, you are SiteGround, you are on A2 hosting, or you are on WP Engine, you can always find a link to access from cPanel. If you cannot log in directly by typing your domain name /cPanel. So there are two ways to log in into cPanel. So once you are logged in, you will reach to a page something like this one. And now we need to find the option which is called WordPress. So either you can scroll the page, or what you can do, you can use Ctrl F and type WordPress, and you need to find this option WordPress. This is normally under Softaculous apps installer. So once you reach here, you need to click on WordPress, and then it will take you to the welcome page of installation. There is some general information about WordPress software, features, screenshot, demo, ratings, reviews, and import. So once you are here, you need to click on install now, and then you need to choose the version to install. I'll suggest you to choose the latest version, which is 5.5.1 as of now. Choose the latest version and then choose the domain name in which you want to install the WordPress. If you do not have any installation already on your hosting, it is new hosting, you are making new website, make sure that there is no directory written here. So now the WordPress will install directly under this domain. If you already have a website and you want to install another WordPress on your hosting, you can choose a new directory. For example, I can choose WordPress new. What it will do, it will install WordPress in a new directory, because I already have WordPress installation, so I'm going to install in a directory. In your case, you can leave this section, you can make sure that this is empty, and then go down here. You need to enter your admin name and password, what you will need after to log in into your WordPress dashboard. I'll suggest you to choose a hard password, because if you use an easy password, people can hack into your website. So there is a key assign here. You can click on this and it will generate a strong password for you. Keep this username and password safe. You will need it to log in into your website. Then after, you can enter email. It can be any email. It can be your Gmail, Hotmail, or any other email you use. Then you need to choose the language, because WordPress is available in so many languages. So depending on the region, you can choose any language of WordPress. I'm going to choose English, and then scroll down. Here you can enter your email ID where you want to receive the update that WordPress is installed successfully. So I enter my email and then click on install. It may take few minutes. Okay, so WordPress has been installed successfully. So now you get two links. First is the link for your WordPress installation, and second for your WordPress admin panel. So because I installed subdirectory, so for me it's ignitecpro.com/WordPress new. In most of the cases, if you're not installing subdirectory, your domain name will be the WordPress installation URL directly. And login, you can click on administrative panel, and this will be your WordPress administrative panel. Because I installed subdirectory, it's ignitecpro.com/WordPress new. Otherwise, in your case, it will be your domain name /WP admin, and your website URL will be just your domain name. So this is how we install WordPress via cPanel. I hope you like the video. I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel if you want to stay updated in your website game. Share with your friends and family. I give a lot of important tips and tricks in this channel to improve your website game. Thank you so much. See you in another video.